everybody, this is Clarice. She's
Hi.
a schnoodle. She's going to do some tricks for you.
Hi, Clarice.
Clarice, left paw, good girl. Right paw, good girl. Both paws, good girl. A little anticipation there. Down.
Yes.
Good girl. Roll over. Good girl. Roll back. Good girl.
Oh, she's very talented.
Thank you. She's 3.5.
Oh.
Clarice, sit. Oh, sit. Good girl. Bang. Good girl.
What was that last one?
It was bang. I shot her.
Oh, you did.
There's
Okay.
your box. Here's your bunny. Go get your bunny. Clarice, go get it. Bring it here. Clarice, look. Your bunny. Go get it. Bring it here. Good girl. Put it in the box. Good girl.
Oh, that's
good
very
girl.
nice.
Good girl. What else can you do? Okay. High five. High five. Good girl. That was an air high five.
Does she do anything like turn things or touch them or any of that?
Yes, she does. She does. Clarice, touch the bunny. Touch the bunny. Okay. Try that again. Touch the bunny. Okay, that wasn't
She wants
so
to
good. Touch
play.
the box. Good girl. Clarice, touch my knee. Good girl.
Oh.
Fist bump. Good girl. Okay.
She's eaten a lot.
Look at,
Has
look
she
at the
gained
nice
a lot of
people.
weight?
Look at the nice people. Go look at the look right in here.
Oh. Oh.
Look right here.
Oh.
Good girl.
Oh.
Okay, you can turn it off.